Have you ever wondered what khula is under Islamic law? This is a question that has been gaining prominence in recent times, especially with the Supreme Court's recent ruling that Muslim women have the absolute right to unilateral and extrajudicial divorce through khula under Islamic law. Khula, a term that may be unfamiliar to many, is a practice deeply rooted in Islamic law. It is a powerful tool that empowers Muslim women to unilaterally seek separation from their husbands. This practice is not a modern invention, but rather it is expressly mentioned in the Quran, the holy book of Islam. This gives it a significant religious and legal weight. The essence of khula lies in safeguarding the rights of women. It is designed to operate within the parameters of Islamic law while ensuring that women are not left disadvantaged or oppressed. Unlike many other traditional forms of divorce, khula puts the power in the hands of the woman, allowing her to take control of her life and her future. Now you may be wondering, how does khula work? The process involves the wife initiating the divorce by formally requesting it from the court. However, it's not as simple as just asking for a divorce. The wife must provide a valid reason for the separation, such as incompatibility, abuse, or neglect. But what makes khula truly unique is the financial aspect of the process. In the khula process, there is the possibility of the woman returning the mehr, or reaching a financial settlement with her husband, as part of the agreement for ending the marriage. Following a khula divorce, the husband assumes responsibility for the education and financial support of the children. Khula, therefore, is not just a legal procedure. It is a symbol of empowerment, a testament to the rights of women under Islamic law. It is a practice that recognizes the agency and autonomy of women, giving them the power to decide their own destinies. Now that we understand what khula is, let's delve deeper into how it works. So, how exactly does khula work? Let's delve into the details. The process of khula begins with the wife taking the first step. She initiates the divorce by formally requesting it from the court. This is a significant departure from many traditional divorce processes, where the husband typically has the power to initiate the termination of the marriage. But it's not just about making a request. The woman must also provide a valid reason for wanting to end the marriage. Reasons can span a broad spectrum, from incompatibility to neglect, even abuse. This requirement ensures that the process is not misused and that the gravity of ending a marriage is fully recognized. Now let's talk about the financial aspects of khula. As part of the process, there's a possibility of the woman returning the mehr, a mandatory gift given by the groom to the bride at the time of marriage. Alternatively, she might reach a financial settlement with her husband. This is a matter of negotiation and agreement between the two parties involved, a testament to the autonomy and fairness integral to the khula process. But what about the children, you might ask? Following a khula divorce, the husband assumes responsibility for their education and financial support. This ensures that the children's welfare is prioritized and protected regardless of the circumstances leading to the divorce. The khula process, therefore, is a complex interplay of personal autonomy, financial negotiations, and child welfare considerations. It's a process designed to protect women's rights and dignity, while also ensuring the well-being of the children involved. In conclusion, khula is more than just a divorce procedure. It's a manifestation of the principles of justice and equality embedded in Islamic law. It empowers women, respects their autonomy, and ensures that they can exit a marriage in a dignified and fair manner. As we can see, khula provides a clear and fair protocol for Muslim women to end their marriage. Now, how does khula differ from talaq? To answer this, let's delve into the concept of talaq. Talaq in Islamic law is a type of divorce that is initiated by the husband. Once a man pronounces talaq, the marriage is immediately terminated. It's a swift and definitive end to a marital union with no formal procedure required. One of the key differences between khula and talaq lies in the initiation of the divorce. While khula empowers a woman to seek separation, talaq is invoked by the husband. This difference in initiation reflects the distinct roles and rights accorded to men and women within the framework of Islamic law. Another crucial distinction pertains to the necessity for a cause. In the case of khula, a woman needs to provide a valid reason for divorce, such as incompatibility, abuse, or neglect. This requirement underscores the gravity of the decision and the importance of safeguarding the sanctity of the marital bond. However, when it comes to talaq, a man can divorce his wife with or without any cause. This disparity underlines the asymmetry in the power dynamics within the marriage. Post-separation responsibilities also vary between khula and talaq. Following a khula divorce, the husband assumes responsibility for the children's education and financial support. Conversely, after talaq, the man is obligated to repay his former wife her dowry and property, if any, owned by her. In essence, khula and talaq are two sides of the same coin. Both are mechanisms to dissolve a marriage under Islamic law. However, they operate on different principles and procedures, reflecting the nuances and complexities of marital relationships. So, in sum, while khula and talaq both serve to end a marriage, they cater to the unique needs, rights, and responsibilities of the parties involved, offering different pathways to part ways. While both khula and talaq serve to end a marriage, they operate on different principles and procedures. In conclusion, we've delved into the intricacies of khula, a practice deeply rooted in Islamic law that empowers Muslim women to unilaterally seek separation from their husbands. This right, recognized by the Supreme Court, provides an avenue for Muslim women to assert their autonomy and seek an end to their marriage when they deem necessary. Through khula, a woman can initiate a divorce by formally requesting it from the court, providing a valid reason such as incompatibility, abuse, or neglect. It's important to note that this process also includes financial considerations, with the possibility of the woman returning the mayor or agreeing on a settlement. In contrast to talaq, khula ensures that a woman's voice is heard and her rights are protected. The husband's responsibility to provide for the children's education and financial support remains intact after the divorce. Understanding khula helps us appreciate the complexity and fairness of Islamic law and its focus on safeguarding women's rights.